Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Cadence Seed in Wuthering Waves. Equip your main damage unit and complete the time challenge. Start at the quest marker, use traversal skills to reach floating platforms, and watch for wind currents. Defeat the elite that spawns using burst combos, then interact with the glowing root to obtain the seed. Save before claiming and check event timers to maximize drops across your play sessions. To farm Cadence Seed effectively, bring a character with high burst, a fast mover, and a shield or healer. Time your abilities to chain stuns and elemental reactions to shorten fights. Use gadgets or food buffs to raise speed and damage where possible. When multiple players participate, assign roles: 1 pulls, 1 bursts, 1 supports. Repeat runs across event windows and track respawn timers to plan efficient play sessions. Stay flexible. Quick recommendation: if you meal prep between sessions, pick up leak-proof containers that fit bento portions and seal tight for travel. They save time, prevent spills, and keep food fresh during long play days. If you like the guide, please subscribe and like for more Wuthering Waves tips. Check the description for the product link and other deals to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Prioritize weapons and artifacts that boost crit rate, crit damage, and elemental mastery for stronger bursts. Bring stamina-restoring consumables and revive items to reduce downtime between attempts. Avoid common mistakes like entering without proper traversal skills or ignoring enemy mechanics that nullify bursts. Practice the platform routing in free mode to shave seconds off each run. Track your seed count and swap characters to balance experience and resource gains during repeated farming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.